My dear brothers and sisters, today's gospel passage seems to be very, very frightening. But it reminds me, look at on the positive side. It reminds me of a hymn by Tagore. Have you not heard his silent steps? He comes, he ever comes. Then the verses that follow, he speaks about the Lord always coming into our life. He is always there, whether we are happy or sad, whether there's turbulence in our life, whether there's happiness or there's calmness, there is storm. He is there always. He is always coming, always near us. And so the Jews today giving us a few examples from the Old Testament. Speaks about his coming, and we need to be prepared. Speaks about days of Noah. I hope you know the story of Noah, the flood. The whole world was rejoicing. They are doing the normal daily routine. And the Lord came. And none was prepared. Only Noah was prepared. So in the days of Lot, it says, whole world was rejoicing. So also when fire and brimstone came and destroyed them because of their sinful life, who was saved? None, except Lot. His wife turned back and she was turned into a stone. So the Lord is telling us today, He is always coming to us. We not be afraid when He'll come. He speaks about our final departure from this earth to next place, heaven. When, how, what circumstances, what situation, at what age, none of us know. But He will come to take us. So we need to be prepared interiorly, not just externally, not just outwardly. Just told a story of that. There's a story about a woman who had a dream that Lord will come to meet her the following day. So prepared outwardly, the whole house was cleaned up, everything was tipped up, but not inside. The Lord came quite a number of times to meet her, taking different situation, a hungry person, a beggar, and so on and so forth. She did not recognize the Lord there. So we need to prepare inwardly, which means we need to be totally free from within so that He comes and we recognize Him. We need to be regular, so that giving God the first place. We need to be generous to people. All these things in a way help us interiorly to accept Him when He comes. We ask the Lord to help us. In the busy world of us, we recognize Him when He comes to us and welcome Him with a warm heart.